Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan in an SE trim, I believe, and powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for getting around, and recently detailed, so it's looking nice and clean. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the back, where you have your third row seats that can, of course, be folded completely flat into the ground, so you have some nice cargo space there. But even with the seats folded up, you have a ton of room because you have this bin. And so in total, you have seating for 7 in this vehicle, because you have 3 in the back, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the front, of course. But they all get their own cup holders and cubbies as well. And then looking into the second row, where you have seating for 2 that can also be folded flat into the ground, I believe, because there's some more storage underneath there. You can of course use that as storage if you don't want to fold these down. And they have rear climate control, so they can stay comfortable. And then looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. That's only power front windows though. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 76,119 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your cruise controls, and on the left you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your buttons to cycle through which information is displayed here, such as your trip A and B mileage, distance to empty, your digital speedometer perhaps, and your fuel economy, outside temperature. And then moving on, you do also have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. Then moving on, you have your shifter here with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then your infotainment center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, and auxiliary. So you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. Moving down from that, you have your climate controls here with tri-zone climate control, so that everyone can stay comfortable at their own temperatures. And do also have your active eco mode here, hazards and traction control shut off. One unique thing is the aftermarket rear view mirror, which also works as a rear view camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. But it does also work as a dash camera, and I believe it can also show you your speed and your direction. There's quite a few settings you can go through with this, not that I'm familiar with it. But moving down from that, and down from your climate controls, you have a little cubby here, 2 pull-out cup holders, and then another bin down here with 2 12-volt power outlets, one of which is being occupied by the rear view mirror, I believe. But then you have a sort of storage cubby bin here with 4 cup holders. It can be kind of oriented however you please in there. So you can have some storage there. You also have a compartment above the glove box for more storage, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.